Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify this Math Olympiad problem. Negative 1 to the power square root of 2 is equal to what? For real numbers, a negative number raised to a non-integer exponent is not a real number. So we must consider complex numbers. In complex number we know a square root of negative 1 is equal to e to the power I pi. This is from Euler's formula. We know e to the power I pi is equal to cos pi plus I sine of pi is equal to negative 1. So we can write here negative 1 can be written as e to the power I pi whole to the power square root of 2 is equal to, we can write e to the power I pi times square root of 2 is equal to, now we can write here cos of pi times square root of 2 plus I sine of pi times square root of 2. Okay. An approximate value of pi times square root of 2 is equal to 4.4429. So cos of 4.4429 is minus 0.2588 and sine 4.4429 is 0.9659. so we can write here cos of pi times square root of 2 is equal to minus 0.2588 minus 0.2588 plus sine 4.4429 is 0.9659 and this I, and this is our final answer, and this is a complex number. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.